Okay, you're welcome once again today to our presentation. So today we are still looking at we are introducing pronoun antecedent agreement. That is what we are introducing, and that is the second rule. Okay, that is the second rule. That is that is two. We have a pronoun antecedent agreement. Under this, we have three different rules here. Under this pronoun antecedent agreement, we have three rules here. What does the first one say? Now let's look at it again. That is, we are repeating what we did yesterday. Okay. The first one is saying, says the second rule of agreement. The second rule of agreement, okay, states that a pronoun must agree in number, gender, and case with its antecedent. A pronoun must agree in number. A pronoun must agree. Okay, a pronoun must agree with. A pronoun must agree in number, gender, and case with its antecedent. Antecedent, that is the noun it is replacing. That is what we mean. We are talking about. That's what we mean by antecedent. The noun that the pronoun is replacing is what we call the antecedent. So what the second rule is saying is that a pronoun must agree in number, gender, and case with its antecedents. So what are we saying here? Number, that is, if the noun is plural, then the pronoun must also be a plural noun. Okay, that's what we mean by number. That is, we have when we say the children, then we say they. The children are coming to school. We say they are coming to school. So the pronoun has agreed with the antecedent, which is the noun. Okay, and then we have gender too. Gender, that is whether that is sex, male or female. Okay, whether it is if the noun is a male, then the pronoun that will replace it will also be a male. If it is female, the pronoun will also be female. That is what we mean by gender. Okay, and then when we talk of case, now we are talking of subject and object position. That is what we mean by case. There are some pronouns that can occupy subject position, while there are some that can occupy object position. Okay, that is, some pronouns can occupy the beginning of a sentence, while others can come after the verb of the sentence. Okay, so the ones that come the ones that occupy the beginning of the sentence, that is, they perform the action in the sentence, are called subject pronouns, while the ones that come after the verb in the sentence, that is, they receive the action in the sentence, are object pronouns. So that's what I mean by case. So we mean singular. So when we say number, that's singular, plural. Gender, that is male, female. And then case, that is object and subject position. Okay, so let us observe our 2 seconds break, and when we return, let's look at what the second one is saying.